Hi guys, so in this video I'll show you how you can install IPA file directly to iPhone's tabs without using laptop or desktop. So if you follow this guide step by step, I think you can install it directly to iPhones or tabs. So first of all, you need to follow the rules like iTunes, App Library, drag and drop IPA file, install and sync. This method doesn't require any other software apart to install the IPA to mobile device. So here's a small note saying on a Windows system, you need to download iTunes first to install an IPA further on mobile device. So let's jump into the process. So using Xcode is the simplest way to install IPA file is what they feel. If you have Xcode installed on your Mac, by just following easy steps, the app will be ready to explore like Xcode cmd plus shift plus 2, then devices, then drag and drop IPA file. So you can also do it by OTA deployment. Over the air deployment enables you to install your built apps IPA APK via HTTPS. So for that, download the IPA file to your device or iCloud, upload the IPA to any such site. For the above step, there are several sites, Deploy Ninja, App Host, Divi, Install On Air, etc. And these are paid and free, from where you can get the installation link by uploading the IPA file. So as you can see, yes, opened the above link and uploaded the downloaded IPA file. And they also used third-party apps, like this can be downloaded from various external Play stores. They tried AppCake for the purpose by following steps below, and you can just follow it step by step and download and install IPA file directly to your Apple device. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment below. Till the next video.